Hey everyone, I'm Paul, and today I'm reviewing the Odelfi Striplamp Pro and comparing it to a couple other LED lights. I use an LED headlamp to work on cars, so I'll be focusing on how well these work in the garage. The strip lamp is the least expensive option and sells online for $30. The light in the middle is a Chinese headlamp from Amazon. You can find many that are similar to it, and this one was $45. Petzl is known for their high-quality lights made for outdoors and extreme conditions. You can find the Pixa 3 online for $80. Odelfi sent me this light to test for the video, so I'll show you what's in the box. The power button turns on the light and cycles through the 4 modes. If you hold it, you get a flashing mode. Pushing the other button activates the hands-free mode, where you can turn the light on and off by simply waving your hand near the sensors on the side. Build quality seems acceptable for the price. It looks like a flexible LED strip encased in a silicone sleeve. A foam pad rests against your forehead, and the charge port cover is just a flap. Pull the silicone back and you'll see the exposed circuit board. This light might be able to handle a little rain, but it's definitely not waterproof. Moving on to the Coast light from Amazon, this light is an aluminum construction with seals. It's water resistant, but not designed to be submerged in water. Unscrew this cap to access the charge port, or remove the other cap to take out the 18650 rechargeable battery. You can adjust the focus or beam width, and the light swivels up and down in the mount. The Petzl light is rated IP67 waterproof and can be submerged under 1 meter of water for 30 minutes. The build quality is excellent and should last for many years. I have 2 rechargeable AA size batteries loaded in this light. The strip lamp has a USB-C charge port, but a fat cable might not fit. A charging cable is included with the light. Using the strip lamp gives you 350 lumens of smooth, even light. Dim it down for more runtime, or use the spotlight modes. The Coast light uses a single LED, but the light is also very smooth and even. The 1000-watt turbo mode only works for 45 seconds, but really lights up the garage. The Petzl light is very dim and has the most narrow beam. I can barely see my car in this shot. Let's look around in the engine bay. This Petzl light reminds me of a cheap plastic flashlight from the 1990s. The beam is very dim and casts a lot of shadows. It does work, but not very well. Let's try the $45 Coast light on medium brightness. This beam is bright, wide, and even. I can see the car parts really well, and this light is much better than the Petzl light. Also, it has a built-in magnet in case you don't want to wear it. This light works great for looking around in the engine bay. Okay, moving on to the Striplamp Pro. I have the strip light on high, 350 lumens, and the light is so even it's hard to distinguish it from the garage lights overhead. I can see the car parts really well, and I'm getting less shadows than the Coast light. This is the best light in this test. How well did these lights stay on my head? The strip lamp is lightweight and didn't move at all. The Coast light is metal and it's heavy. The Petzl light is even bigger and heavier. The Petzl light is so heavy that it cut my nose in the shake test. The final test is climbing under the car and looking up. The strip lamp does this perfectly. The Coast light stays on my head, but it sticks out a bit and clearance is an issue. The Petzl light is so heavy that it falls off. I think I found my new favorite light for working on cars. It's nice and lightweight, it's comfortable, gives you a smooth, even light, and I didn't get injured while testing it. If you want to pick one of these up, follow the link in the video description below.